way!
How'd you like our song?
It's a little on the dark side, but you know, that's cool.
Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Leah and you're watching Glamour Gadgets and Gaming by Leah. So earlier this week, LG had finally launched its XBOOM PL series of portable Bluetooth speakers. Remember in 2018 how much we loved the XBOOM Go PK3, PK5 and the PK7?
I'm spending all of my cash, all this money that I ever had, I put that shit on my tab.
Well guys, here's an impressive upgrade. Once again from the Masters of Audio LG in collaboration with Meridian Audio. Here we have the PL2, the PL5 and the PL7. Today's video will feature a quick unboxing, setup, demo of all three speakers and Leah's pros and cons. And if that's not enough guys, then get your dance shoes on and be prepared for a thumping, all hyped and loud party time as I pair these three LG PL series speakers with another set and show you what these are all about. These were sent to me by LG in around April. Since I have played with them enough to come to a conclusion that these are the best set of portable Bluetooth speakers I've tried and tested in 2020 so far. Now guys, I'd love to hear your opinions on these two in the comments below. So inside the box, all three speakers contain the same, a user manual, USB Type-C charging cable and a Bluetooth speaker. All three have similar features which slightly vary depending on the size. All three have a solid plastic build with a rubber finish. Here you can see the XBOOM logo engraved. As for the buttons and controls, all three have a power button, Bluetooth pairing button, volume control, skip track, play and pause, and sound boost mode, which actually gives a noticeable boost to the bass and sound quality. And here behind the latch on the PL2 you will find a reset hole, dual wireless party link button, a 3.5mm AUX and a USB Type-C charging port. The latch on the PL5 and PL7 is here on the back. Here you'll find some extras guys. You'll have a multi-wireless link which allows you to pair up to 100 speakers together, a dual link button also allowing you to link two speakers together, and next we have a button to control the LED lights. Here you can play with the colors, connect to the mobile app and customize and control the lighting or completely switch the lights off. You can also see the reset hole here, a USB Type-C charging port, a 3.5mm AUX and a standard USB-A port. All three feature Meridian Audio, are IPX5 rated and have sound boost. Now guys, so what's the difference? Well, other than the obvious size and weight, the PL2 has a 5 watt power, the PL5 features 20 watts of power and the PL7 outputs a massive 30 watts of power. Now you'll get around 10-hour battery life on the PL2, 18 hours on the PL5 and a massive 24 hours of battery life on the PL7. Now guys, unlike the smaller PL2, both the PL5 and the PL7 also feature customizable multicolor LEDs, feature wireless party link which allows you to connect up to 100 PL5 and PL7 speakers for one massive immersive sound. The PL5 and the PL7 can be paired and controlled via the LG XBOOM smartphone app, which is here in front of you. Here you can play with these really cool colourful LED lights, pair and disconnect a number of PL5 and PL7 speakers. You can also see the battery charge. Now guys, I'm unable to disclose the exact prices. These are available to buy on Amazon and other places. The link for these are in the description box below and the prices are subject to change. I'll be sure to be updating the links with the prices and any offers accordingly in the description box below this video. Now, enough on the specs and features. Allow me to share with you why I love these party boosters and why I feel they are LG's best to date. Check out the sounds, guys. Now let's begin with this little cutie here, the PL2. Be sure to check out the difference with the sound boost on and off. And the PL5. And the beast here, the LG XBOOM Go PL7. Now I'm going to pair the PL5s and the PL7s, and I'm also going to be connecting these to my LG TV and my OnePlus smartphone. Guys, if you haven't already, get those party shoes on and get ready to dive right into this immersive, spectacular music fest. And here we have it now. Check this out, guys. When we pair the PL5 and the PL7 with my LG TV, check out these sounds, guys.
This is going to be fun. By corruption and greed. We must do something. Certainly. Welcome, Englishman.
Every gang in LA has to pay the taxes.
What's up, Holmes?
There is a storm right now, 160 miles per hour.
Your dad doesn't want to leave. I can't force him.
Bill and Ted, what have you got to say for yourselves?
Absolutely blown away every single time. There's so much power, clarity and bass. LG and Meridian Audio never fail to impress. Now, why do I love these so much? Do I have a favourite? Well, it's difficult to choose, guys. When you have three incredible, powerful Bluetooth speakers in front of you, each offering excellent features, it's difficult to choose a favourite. These are not bulky nor too heavy, are of quality build, good in the hand and very durable and portable, and look fantastic with or without the LED lights. The lights are customizable. These are IPX5 rated, pump out loud, clear and excellent sound and audio quality. Wireless and rechargeable with a very decent battery life dependent on the size and power. And you can pair up to 100 speakers and you can control them via this mobile app. If I really had to choose one, then the PL3 I guess best suits my needs. It's great to pop into a picnic bag or even a handbag and take it along with me for a quick and convenient party on the go. Well guys, summer is literally around the corner. We'll be putting out the barbecues, the sun loungers and the picnic baskets and all, and these PL series sure are built to bring life to the party. Check out the link for these in the description box below this video. These set of speakers are a treat to have and I absolutely love them. I know I'll be playing with these all year long until LG and Meridian Audio decide to bring us another set of amazing speakers. Now guys, do share your thoughts in the comment box below. What do you think of these? And especially in comparison to the LG XBOOM Go PK3, PK5 and the PK7 speakers. Well, do you want to see a comparison? Do share your thoughts and do let me know in the comment box below. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, be sure to comment, share, like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon above and follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram to be notified of my upcoming videos, giveaways, etc. Now the next upcoming video is going to be a very colourful one with a massive giveaway, so be sure to stick around. Until the next one guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, love you, bye.